guy's pretty cool.
Not bad, not bad.
I can smell tire. Ugh.
Oh, I hear an import up there.
No, that's a bike.
Nice turning.
Recording. All right, I see him.
Monster truck, bro.
If this guy actually does do it. Pretty cool guy. Oh yeah.
You hear that? Do you see that guy's face? He's like,
Yeah.
oh,
Yeah, I saw it.
Regal. Oh, you can hear that turbo. I'm gonna zoom in on this. Oh, you can hear that turbo.
look at GTO.
That is one of my favorite years. I keep giving everyone Corvette, and then we got Mustang. Shelby!
Oh, he was
Shelby!
I bet you he was gonna try to do it, but
Yeah, give everyone the thumbs up, you know, encourage them.
it's encouraged.
I'm on, buddy. I love STs. Oh my god, dude.
That one just is like the biggest.
There you go. Hey, thumbs up, approved.
Yeah, bro.
Dude, that guy's awesome.
Yeah. That's nice, man.
Wooly? Nah. Thank you. Come again. It's all-wheel drive, so. I love that guy's shop. Oh, scraping. Yeah?
That guy could.
Highlight of the day. Thank you.
Man, this guy right here in the back is just sticky as shit, though.
Oh, there it is. Come on. Thumbs up to that guy. Thank you. Okay, snap, crackle, and pop. I just said that wrong.
That guy with the truck, I was
Snap, crackle, and pop.
burnout or house and stuff.
I rock. I do rock, just so you know.
Wait, are all these people around?
Nah. Guy's nice. Good job. You know, you got a Corvette right there, you know, just like,
Yes, I
woo!
have to leave at 8:30. It's 7:40. Tell your parents that your friend allowed it.
Alright, alright. This is gonna be the main event right here, you know? Yeah, Steven giving him a thumbs up.
Yep.
Way to go.
Yep, bud.
It's like, you know, it's so clean. Oh, 3 on the tree. Console shifting. Here we go. It's okay. Yeah.
He was trying to sound like a race car.
And he keeps going. I hear something. You hear it, James? Do you hear it?
No, I hear it. I hear it.
He hears it. He hears
I hear
it.
it from over yonder.
This could be it. Pro mod, you know? Pro mod for the street. Factory pro mod, you know? Oh, Viper!
That Viper was clean, man.
Go.
There we go. SN95 Mustang Cobra. I also have one. Kinda. Oh yeah. Love that guy. Woo! Okay, this could do it. This could.
Oh man, that was a lot of people who did this.
Thank you.
A honking
Oh,
sensor.
if this.
Nice stuff, man.
People are nice, you know?
Come on, yeah. Give it a thumbs up. Cycles, bro. Those two guys who do the wheelie, man.
Yeah, buddy!
Come on, guys, come on. Yeah.
Ah. Please do it, old timer.
Come on, old timer, still got some old shit. Bro, the back of this truck's like comfortable.
Nice, you know? Oh, that's shaking the heart. Oh, that shook my heart. Oh,
Oh, shit.
nice old time car, you
Well,
know?
I got like insects crawling all over me. Do any of you have insects crawling on you?
Did that kid's school? So many cars here. It's just like.
Bro, I miss the 50s, right? We should go back soon.
Yes, I want one. Yes.
Come on, wheelie, bro, wheelie, bro.